Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to talk to you about mindfulness and your motorcycle. As you know, while you are riding, you need to be completely focused on what you are doing at all times. You can't let your mind drift off because you do not have the safety of being surrounded by steel inside a car. You are exposed and you are your own responsibility. Learning to ride can be tough, and the mental challenges you need to overcome never get smaller. You just grow to be a better rider with new challenges. The video I have put together today is for you to listen to after you have been out riding. Whether you were out practicing with purpose or you were road tripping 1,000 miles, this video can help you. So let's take 5 minutes to relax and acknowledge where we are right this second. Find somewhere comfortable and quiet, just to sit and be still. Whether you are listening on your headphones or on a speaker, take a moment to really pay attention to how your body feels. With part of you touching the ground, take a deep breath in and draw energy and peacefulness from that contact. Inhale through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and set your body with good posture. Thinking about the travel you just completed, was there something you did that you were happy or proud of? Did something go smoothly for you? Perhaps you took a corner a little faster and it felt really good. Or it may just be simply that you arrived safely at your destination. Whatever that might be, take a deep breath in, filling your chest and your stomach with air. Hold for 5 seconds and exhale gently. Feel proud of your accomplishment and show this with your body. Smile, open your palms up, and turn your head to the sky. If there is something you feel you need to improve on, think about what that is. Don't shy away from it. Be happy that you know at least one thing that will help you grow in skill and as a person. Take responsibility for whatever that might be. Own it. It does not define you. It is not who you are. It is not your destination. It is part of your journey. While you are filing this thought away in your head for your next ride, I want you to think about how happy you felt when you remembered what you did right. Attach this feeling of accomplishment to the improvements you would like to make. These two things are now hand in hand. Be excited that you have a clear opportunity to improve. Take this next minute to focus on your breathing and acknowledge how your body is responding to the fresh air. we come to the end of this mindful session, start to move your body around a little bit. Move your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders, and move your head from left to right. Then slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.